POV. A chemical overhaul service should only be done as the last resort for an extremely clogged evaporator coil, as an overhaul risks gas leak problems when done sloppily by the technicians you engaged. Professional full evacuation and dehydration is a must, and gas leak check too. Without evacuation, air and moisture entered the pipings can corrode the entire system, leading to a lot inconveniences for callbacks and costly repair or even system replacement. Irreversible damages to compressor motor windings, expansion valves, and gas leak on pipings. High-pressure washing. It's crucial for the jet spray to be fully flattened for best results. Almost done. Now set the coil to clean with help of gravity by washing top down. Flat jet spray is essential in order to clean through the fins. Setting up professional evacuation for dehydration. Dehydration progress. Air and moisture leaving the system. Target to hit below 500 microns for a clean system.